Welcome to my channel about narcissistic abuse and healing. Today, we are diving into a topic that many of the targets of abuse struggle with. How to outsmart a narcissist's next phone call. If you are stuck dealing with a manipulator or just broke free from one, this video is for you. Imagine your phone rings, it is the narcissist. You catch your breath, feeling your heart pounding like you are in the middle of a horror movie. You really don't want to answer, but you find yourself rushing to grab your phone. Why? Because if you do not answer, the wrath of Khan will seem like a mild scolding in comparison. Welcome to the disappointing world of dealing with a manipulator. They have trained you like Pavlov's dog to leap at the sound of their beckoning call. They sweat around, convinced their time is platinum, while yours is basically confetti meant to be scattered around. Have you noticed the double standard? They can ghost you like a pro, but heaven forbid you don't drop everything for them the instant they call. And if you dare question their behavior, they will whip out excuses with the speed of light, dismissing your concerns as if they were linked on their designer shirt. Because naturally, the abuser needs unfettered access to you to deliver his daily dose of threats and intimidation. It is like having your very own tormentor on speed dial. This keeps you on edge, fearful, and constantly dancing to his tune. It is a master class in control, really control, obedience, and instilling fear. You begin to despise your phone. You want to find the person who invented the phone and give them a piece of your mind. Every time the phone rings, chills run down your spine, as if you have just heard the theme from X-Files. But here is the truth. You do not have to play the narcissist's game. The abuser is not your ruler. You actually have the power to reclaim control over your time and your life. If you are still entangled in a toxic relationship and the abuser calls you, do not rush to answer it like you are competing in an Olympic sport. Take a step back, pause, and ponder why the narcissist might be calling. Craft an appropriate response. You can choose to call him back after a strategic delay of 2 to 6 hours. If questioned, have a good excuse ready. Sorry, I did not notice the missed call until later. Mix it up. Sometimes answer right away. Other times ignore it and call back after 4 to 6 hours. Be unpredictable. This little game of phone tag loosens the abuser's grip on you. Now he is not controlling you completely. Try to communicate through writing as much as possible. Also, make sure the narcissist has not turned your cell phone into spy device with tracking apps and spyware. For those who have broken free from the toxic relationship, you do not owe your ex immediate access to you, especially not someone who treats control and manipulation like a hobby. Consider redirecting communication to email or text. Remember, written communication with a manipulator is easier. You have more control. Plus, you can use his texts and emails as evidence in court. Just be careful not to write anything you might regret later. Keep your messages short and sweet. Do not say anything unnecessary. Remember, it is your phone, your rules. Your phone is for your convenience, not the abusers. You have every right to decide whom you speak to and when. Embrace this newfound freedom and reclaim control over your life. You deserve it. Thank you for watching.